motion chapter class 9 all formulas. Formula number 1, speed. Speed equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Formula number 2, velocity is equal to displacement by time. Formula number 3, average speed. Average speed, total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. Formula number 4, average velocity. Average velocity, total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time. Acceleration. Final velocity minus initial velocity but at time is equal to acceleration. Here v is final velocity. U is initial velocity. And t is time. Now next formula, equation of motion. There are three equations of motion. First is v is equal to u plus at. V is final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and t is time. Second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. S is distance or displacement. Displacement u initial velocity, t time, a acceleration. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion. V square minus U square बराबर 2AS. V is final velocity. U is initial velocity. A acceleration and S is displacement. Another formula for average velocity. Another formula for average velocity equal to U plus V by 2. U here initial velocity and V is final velocity. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more updates.